Okay, Nirvi, how does frog says? Also, she's completely potty trained. Yeah? Ducks are eating Parle-G biscuit. Wow. Hey you guys, welcome to the vlog. Okay, so I just wanted to start this vlog in the morning, but it was super busy morning because I was just preparing breakfast and lunch and we were going to school and it was so busy. So I could not do that and I was not even sure. I was just 50-50 that I should do a vlog or not, or I should just make a sit down video. But I was slowly, oh, okay, my hair's okay. So but I slowly want to go back into that routine of 2 videos every week which I was doing earlier. So I thought, why not to take just out the camera and start filming, even if it is just a day in a life video, because I know you guys love day in a life videos just like me. So I really like to see people's life. I really like to see what they are up to, and also I'm sure that you are also you know, you also love day in a life videos, kind of that vlogs. So here I am. I do not have any plans related to going out or anything because it's cloudy, but because it is cloudy and we are going to stay at home, I have to start cleaning my kitchen because it's been more than 3 months that I have not given my kitchen a very deep clean. I mean, I have to pull all the empty bottles out, I have to fill them and just throw all the not so good, or just throw all the empty bottles and all that. Okay, so this is how my skin looks after my skincare, and I use hyaluronic acid and my cream. They both are from Youth Skincare, and they are working really well. I have, this video is not sponsored by them, but I'm using those products from last 2 months and I'm really loving it. So if you want, you can give them a try. Then my cleanser, not face wash, is from Khadi brand, that is from India, and my lip balm is from Nivea. And what else? And I use bio oil. So yeah, that's just it. I use only 3 to 4 products on my face, not more than that, and that too just twice a day, not more than that as well. So now I'm feeling all ready with my hair and this skincare thing. But this person cannot function well without 2 cups of tea every single day, which I'm thinking about to not reduce but completely stop. Yes, I'm thinking about completely stopping the tea and coffee, I mean the caffeine thing. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, soon I'm going to stop because in summer it's just, you know, it gives me so much of acidity. So I'll think about it more and let you know. But for now, let's go and make the tea. Okay, with the chai, I'm gonna have a bread. Let me see if I have a small. Okay, I have this piece. So I made this bread other day, and I had shared about this on my Instagram. So if you wanna see, I have not shared the recipe, but if you want the recipe of the bread, these are the whole wheat bread that I made. I guess 3 days ago or maybe 4 days ago, and they are still so pretty darn good. They are without any preservatives, and they are the whole wheat. So I really want you to try, and if you want recipe, you can DM me on my Instagram and I'll share the recipe with you. You Vicky Vicky? Hi. Oh, sweetie. Oh, you are such a sweet. Maybe good evening. Good evening. Nervi, good evening. Okay, sit down, Nervi. Yeah, you feel you have a monster in your tummy? No, monster you get when you eat atta. Do not eat atta, okay? You can have some milk. Eat atta. Yeah, if you eat atta, you get monster in your tummy, okay? Okay. Okay, finish your milky. Today you wanna you wanna watch Peppa Pig? Okay. You can only listen to Peppa Pig, okay? Yeah. You wanna listen Old MacDonald or you wanna listen to Peppa Pig? No. What, Nervi? I'm looking to Peppa Pig. You wanna listen to Peppa Pig? Okay. Okay, Nervi. Let's go. And Mommy will be doing all the cleaning in the kitchen, okay? Okay, Nervi, let's listen to Peppa Pig. What is that, Nervi? This is a small camera. A small camera, is it yours? No, it's too small camera. It's too small camera for you? No, it's too cold. It's too cold. Okay, that camera is of Mama. Okay, Nervi, how does frog says? Can you do it again? That's so funny. Can you do it again, please? फिर से? Oh, that's so funny. High five. If you feel nosy, tell me. I'll give you tissue. Do you want tissue? Oh, I'll give you tissue. Come here. Show me. I see something called a spiral. Yeah, just looking like a spiral. Can you make a butterfly, Nervi? Oh yeah. Yeah, can you try making butterfly? What's this? I think it's a butterfly. What happened? I can't see it. Okay. See, your socks are very different. One is purple, one is blue. Your socks? No. See your socks? No, it's coats. Okay. What are you making? No, it's a horse. Oh, it's a horse? Okay, I thought you're making socks. Mommy, yeah, you can listen. It's already on. What's this? I think it's a B. Oh, I think it's a G. No, it's a G. Yeah. Where is the TV? TV is broken. Yeah, TV is broken. So sad, isn't it? Teddy doesn't like to watch TV. Nervi doesn't like to watch TV. Yeah. This is broken. I'm in middle of my cleaning and Nervi was asking for cookies because I do not have anything else to give her, and I'm and she doesn't want to eat any other snack but the cookies. Yes, Neri?
I will photo go what? Good day.
You wanna come, Godi? Okay, come. So, as you heard, Nirvi said.
Goody.
Okay. As you guys heard that Nirvi said like TV is broken. So here's the trick we played 15 days ago, and we told Nirvi that Nirvi TV is broken and it's not working, and she actually believed us, and from then she's just not asking for the TV, and it's in her room and we watch it only on Friday, me and Nimish. We just watch movie on Friday or Saturday night there, and apart from that, like it is not like we are not turning it on, and everything that's broken. So it's a win-win, and she doesn't ask for it. She just wants, yeah, and only thing she wants is to listen the rhymes. So we put the rhymes on my mobile, and I just keep it somewhere higher where she cannot see. And yeah, that's the trick we are playing with you, Navy, but you don't know. Also, she's completely potty trained.
I want a goodie.
Yes, 1 minute, Navy, okay? Let me talk 1 minute, okay?
Yeah.
And I'm so proud of myself now. So if you want to know how I potty trained her, and it was a little different trick that I played with her. So if you want to know, let me know in the comment section. Teddy भी झाड़ू लगा हाँ very good job, Mary. Yes, Nirvi, you are such a sweet, good helper. Yeah, you are doing such a good help. Thank you. Okay, guys, so my kitchen is all clean. I've just put the tripod here. My kitchen is all clean. I'll show you. This is how it is looking. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. I know the angle is bad, but this is how that part is looking. If you come over here, it's all clean. And then okay, over here in this part, this is where I keep the snacks and dry fruits and papad and some other stuff of kitchen. So this is how it is looking, and I'm so proud of myself for pushing myself hard, because I was planning for this like for more than 15-20 days now, and I very wanted to do, but I was not feeling that motivation was not coming from anywhere. And also I wanted to vlog this day when I'm cleaning, so that I can pass on my cleaning motivation to you. And if you're cleaning with me, or if you got little bit of motivation, also give this video a like and share that on Instagram when you're cleaning. But yeah, Nirvi and Nimish, they'll come back, they'll be super hungry. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start the cooking, start preparing dinner. So I'm making dal, that is tur dal, and rice, and I'll be making methi bhaji, aloo methi. So yeah, let's start with that.
Beginning, it was like we were good to each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only us and no others, only us. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow.
Okay guys, they are home and I'm super hungry. They are also hungry. Food is ready, so I'm gonna end this vlog over here, and I really hope that you enjoyed today's vlog. And if yes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and write me in the comment section which part of this video was your favorite, and also which routine do you wanna see, the evening routine or the morning routine, or if you wanna see my work routine, I mean my YouTube and blogging thing work routine. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It's sad to know, it's sad to know